tell you. See what me I say? Yeah. Real life thing I tell you. Because you see, I'm getting to you, them say a skank and a bum. Them say we are criminal. They must be in a local company. Yo, hear me I say yo. And see me. Yeah, good night and a pleasant night. And if a morning you listen to this, good morning. First of all, I have to thank YouTube to get me thing them out there. Yeah. Without YouTube, the thing them can't notify. And people now gonna hear them and see and like them, you see me? So congratulations to YouTube and congratulations to every young artist and every artist in our business for a long time. Respect and manners, you see me? But Coffee, big up yourself, you're the reggae queen, you see what me I say? Yeah man, I love you, Coffee, I truly don't know. But you know cross no line and violate, you see me? Respect is due to you, see me? You're the artist. You don't know, everybody respect you and love your song them. And keep the fire burning. But when we come to read it tonight, yeah, you have some people, them go to church, you see? Yeah, them go to church. And them praise God and them testify. And when the church over, them walk past you. Even when you hear them, they don't answer you. Them walk past you like them not know you or them not hear you or them not care about you no more. Say me want to ask you now. How the hell some people go to church? Praising God. You enjoy sitting down praising God with the church brethren and sistering. And then church over on a hypocrite, you pick up back the same dirty bungle and walk with God on the yard. You see me? So, if only when you know how to keep service, you know have the presence of God. And then, yeah, some people again, then do some people something, some wickedness. You see me? Like, them mix up in all kind of evilness, obi and all them shit there. I will see some of these people that testify at church. You see what me I say? Yeah. And me not condemn nobody. You see what me I say? But what me I say? Why you have to wait until the last? You do all the way you do. Some girl mix up with some gangster to do all other people things. And now things turn upon them now. Them run come to God and like them not read the Bible and the Bible tell us say whatsoever sees a man so that them are gonna read. So basically a lot of these people get themselves in some dangerous situation. You see me? Even myself here where I work, some of them not like me. You see me? Some of them plot against me to get rid of me and I try violate me and all these things. You see me? You know? You know some people see I try and them like how you try them plot against you. You have some people laugh with you and then chat with you and behind the back them and say you're a pussy. You see what me I say? So these are the type of people we are around. That's why I listen to the beautiful lady who come from RFM morning time. She always talk some positive things and I love what she say. Trust me. Big up yourself, yeah man. And but there I go and hold it. Yeah. All the good people in my just open them eye and know say you can't give up and you can't make them stop your food, you see me? You have to just go and hold them. You see me? Go and hold them. Trust me. You have to just go and hold them, man. Because if you not go and hold them are going to hold you. See what I say? Yeah. So, and yeah, a lot of people out there was spiteful. Really and truly spiteful. That's what I say. For real, man. I don't know. And some of these people talk about God 24/7 and nobody know wicked like them. You see me? They're not humble and them not do nothing that is good as far as what me I say. That's what me I say. Them is just like them show them true them pretty part of them and the behind of this the worst side of them you don't see it. You see me? But the Bible say by the fruit you shall know them. So what the sense you do all these evil things and sanction against people if we get rid of people and set up people and then in the long run when things get bad for you is going to call upon the Most High. Yes, He will forgive you, but your judgment there will come. You see what I say? So all of the real people, them just go and watch out and keep it real. That's what I say, because anytime you try to succeed in a life and hold up your head high, you have some dirty mind people and some dirty people, whether them a go to church or not, them come to just sanction against you and stop you. You see me I say, and congratulate to all of the young people that we are try. Just make sure you have God with you at all time. You see me I say, in no matter. Make sure you have God with you at all time, because a whoop a fight out there, a whoop a blood truck out there. And if you not stand up strong, then kick with your foot and fling your back down on your face. Even though them say 7 times rise and 7 times fall. But remember, God people them can't suffer, so the wicked can always go on do what them a do. Remember me tell them that. It's a real life shit me I tell you. See what me I say? Yeah. Real life thing I tell you. Because you see them get to you, them say a skank and a bum. Them say we are criminal. They used to be in a alcohol company. Yo, hear me I say yo. As to me, they say me a criminal, 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 criminal. Yo, them a trap woman a criminal,